Hello everyone, I am Vinod, and in this video I will walk you through the Power Platform solutions I built for the Power Challenge. The scenario revolves around Contoso High School's parking management issues. I have created a complete solution using Dataverse, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. Let's dive in. To begin, I create a parking solution, and in the solution I have created three tables. The names are parking inspection, parking request, vehicle. The parking inspection, it logs inspections conducted at 5 p.m. each day, and the parking request, it captures daily parking requests from staff and visitors. And the vehicle, it store vehicle details like name, make, model, image, and owner email. Each table includes custom columns, custom views, and forms, including filter views like active parking request today, active parking requests, and active inspections. Next, I build a model driven app are called Parking Review. This app allows admin staff to enter parking requests on behalf of users, review vehicle details, and monitor inspections logs. For the parking inspector, I have created a tablet style canvas app with four screens. Home screen, two buttons to navigate to the review and inspection screen, and then the review screen. Display inspection conducted today, including the vehicle details and the related parking requests. New and then the new inspection screen. Allow inspector to log a new inspection. It autofill the current date and time. And then the new vehicle screen. Enable creation of the new vehicle records for unregistered cars. I use modern controls throughout the app for a clean and responsive experience. Navigate to smooth headers are consistent across screens. I also created a cloud flow named parking request notification. When a parking request is submitted, the flow sends a notification email to the vehicle owner. The email includes vehicle name, parking request ID, and a friendly message for the Contour School administration. To help the school manage parking more effectively, I created a Power BI report with three pages: the home page, filters, and the parking review page. Home is simple navigation button to other reports pages, and then filter for vehicles to make, model, calendar, and date of the week. These filters are synced across pages, and then the parking review. Cards on the total inspection and the percentage with the valid request. Bar chart showing the inspection trend to over time, and metrics showing the inspection by vehicle. Detail table with the link back to the inspection records in the model driven app. I also created a data dimension table using the DEX and the my measure table to house all the custom measures. Let's have a demo of this app. So in our tables, we have multiple columns, search with the publisher name, and the columns are inspection date time, parking inspection name, parking request date time, and vehicle name. And in the parking request, we have parking request date time column, parking request name, parking request, and vehicle. And in our vehicle table, we have make, model, vehicle image, vehicle name, and vehicle owner email columns. So let's move to our model driven app. I have built a model driven app called Parking Review. This app is designed for admin staff to manage parking data. On this Parking Review app, we have three tables: vehicle, parking request, and parking inspections. By clicking on vehicles, we can see that here we have multiple vehicles entry. We can make a new entry by clicking on the new button, and here we can give the vehicle name, make, model, and vehicle's owner name. Then new entry will be made. Same in parking inspection. We can see we have multiple inspection records. To make a new inspection, we can click on new, and entering by these all required data, we can make a parking inspection record. By clicking on the parking request, we can see that we have multiple parking requests here. To make a new request, we need to click on the new button, and after that we have to enter these required details. So let's enter. First select the date and then the search for the vehicle.
Here by clicking on the vehicle button, we can check the vehicle details, and after checking we can press back button or save and close.
And save and close. Along this, we can check that we have received the email as well. That please be advised that your parking request for the vehicle ABC123 requested on this date has been granted. This email we received by the Power Automate.
So after submitting the new parking request, our Power Automate flow runs successfully and we receive the email as well.
So now let's do the inspection. Search vehicle name here, and you can see that after when we enter the vehicle name, it will auto populate the vehicle parking request entry here. So we just need to click on the submit button, and you can see that it is showing us the inspection saved to Dataverse table, and after this it's showing us the review screen as well.
And if the inspector found a new vehicle whose entry is not available in the database table, he can click on the create new vehicle button and create the entry for this new vehicle.
And it will open the new screen where we need to enter the vehicle name, make, model, say vehicle, new inspection, and we do the inspection for the same. Click on that vehicle, and you can see that here is showing the parking request date time, and click on the submit. If you see that this parking is invalid because we don't have the email ID for this particular vehicle owner. Now let's go on our Power BI dashboard. Let's check the parking inspection report which we have created on Power BI. First of all, we click on the filter button and it will go to the filters page where we can select or filter out the data using date or make, model or display name. Here we are filtering out the data using our recently created vehicle horn, and then we can go on the parking review. Then you can see that here it's showing us only in a single entry for this data because we recently created this and only one parking we found for this. So let's go back on the filters and unselect make, and then go back to the parking review. Here we can see that it's showing us the total percentage of the valid parking request and total inspections and total request we have received and total valid inspection we have done. So by clicking on this URL request, we can check on our model driven app as well regarding the parking inspection details. So thanks for watching my Power Up Challenge walkthrough. This project helped me sharpen my Power Platform skills and build a real world solution.